So in this video, we are going to solve a problem from exercise 12.1, which belongs to chapter number 12, Heron's formula. So this is question number 2. Let's read what the question is. The triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisement. So these are the triangular, I'm going to just highlight, these are the triangular sides wall. This is first one and this is the second one. Okay. Now, the sides of the walls are 122 meters, 22 meters and 120 meters. So this is the dimensions of the walls. Now, the advertisements yield an earning of 5,000 per meter square per year. So this is an important piece of information. 5,000 meters, 5,000 rupees per meter square per year. Okay. Now a company hired one of its walls for 3 months. Okay. Another important piece of information. For 3 months it was hired. Okay. And note, this rate is for the whole year, per year, which is for 12 months. And it was hired for 3 months. Now how much rent did it pay? That's what we have to calculate. So quite simple and straightforward question. This triangle is given to us with three different sides. So we can find the area of the triangle using Heron's formula. Once we find the area of the triangle, we can use this information to find how much money has to be paid for the whole year. Okay. However, the company has hired its wall only for 3 months, not for the whole year. So it will be 1/4 because 3 months is 1/4 of 12 months. So 1/4 of the total cost is what the rent that the company will pay. So once again, we will need to be using the Heron's formula. So how to find the area of triangle? So I'm going to write here area of triangle, okay, using Heron's formula. Heron's formula. How do we find that? So step one is you find the value of S, which is equal to A plus B plus C, the whole divided by 2. Okay, where A, B, C are the sides of the triangle. So in this case, what are the sides of the triangle? 122 plus 22 plus 120, the whole divided by 2. Okay, so that is actually equal to 122 plus 142, the whole divided by 2. Okay, so let's come down. That is equal to 6 1 plus 7 1, that is equal to 2 and 132. So the value of S is 132. Okay. Now, once we find out the S, then it's very simple. The area of triangle is given by S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C and the whole square root. Okay. Now that is equal to square root of, this is the value of S. Okay. S is 132. So let's substitute. So this is going to be 132 into, so 132 minus 122, that is A, and then 132 minus 22, that is B, and 132 minus 120, that is C, and this square root remains over the entire term. Okay, just for the sake of understanding, this is A 122, this is B 22, this is C 120. Okay, rest are the values of rest of the values of S. So let's zoom in now. So this is the area of our triangle. Let's try to solve this. Is equal to square root of 132 into, this is going to be 10 into, this will be 0 and 110 into, this is going to be 2 1 12. Okay, so square root of this. Okay, now that is equal to 132 into, so let us separate this 10 and this 10. Okay, because 10 into 10 is 100, which is a perfect square. So 132 into 11 into 12 into 10 into 10. Okay, I'll use this highlighter. Okay, so this 10 and this 10 have come here, 10 into 10. I'm just rearranging the numbers under the square root so that it becomes simple to solve the to get the number to find the square root of this whole product. Now if you notice this figure, okay, this value 132, it is a product of 11 and 12. Okay, 11 into 12 is 132. So, or we can think in the reverse way. We can say that we can say that this is equal to 132. That way also it will work. Yeah, I think that's better. So let's erase this. So 11 to 12 is 132. So let's note it down. So now that will be equal to 132 into 132 into 10 into 10 and the square root of this whole term. So thus we have got two perfect square roots, this and this. So if we want to get rid of square root, that will be equal to just 132 into 10, and that is going to be 1320 meter square. Okay, this will be the area of the triangle that we were looking for. It's an important piece of information, so I'm just going to box it like this. Yes, so area is equal to 1320 meter square. Now let's come up. Okay, so we have found out the area of this triangle, one triangle. Okay, now the cost is 5,000 rupees per meter square per year. Okay, so let's continue. So I'm just going to zoom in here. So total cost for year, total cost for the year, okay, will be equal to what? 5,000 rupees into area. Okay, I'm just going to write here area. This is total cost. Area of the triangle. Okay, so that, so let's come to this side. Okay, so that is going to be 5,000 rupees into 1320, the area which we recently found out. This is for the total year. Okay, so this is actually rupees. This value is rupees. This is the total cost for the entire year for one wall. Now let's come back to the problem. Now a company hired one of its walls for 3 months. Okay, so this is the total cost for 12 months, for 1 year, which is 12 months. Therefore, cost for 3 months, cost for 3 months will be equal to one fourth of the total cost, which is 5,000 into 1320. Okay, so this is divisible by 4. Okay, 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12. Okay, 330. So this is going to come to, that is equal to 5,000 into 330. That is equal to, so 1 2 3 4, these are the 4 zeros, and 5 is a 15, 1 carry, 5 is a 15, 16. So this is equal to, yes, so you can say this is rupees. So the total cost is now 16,50,000 rupees for a period of 3 months. So this is the required answer. Okay, how much rent did it pay? So the rent it paid was 16,50,000 rupees for a period of 3 months. That's how we use Heron's formula to calculate the area of this triangle whose three sides were given to us, and thus we solve the question.